have you surrounded, crime fighters. Stop all police.
It's the garden. That's a good 40. A little closer. Go. Looks like I'm gonna catch me some 40s. Yeah, that's right. Run away, go to your mommies.
Looking for answers? Mr. Connor sends his regards. He wanted to come himself, but he's a very busy man. He mentioned some horrible tragedy happened to your mother? Funny how a few moments in our lives can completely change who we are, huh? And now you're gonna be taken out by assassins, known as the City Ninja Service. You know what to do with him when you're done.
Hey, wait, you forgot to pay me!
After it's done.
No, you hire services of a shitty ninja service, you pay in advance. That's on the website.
You don't sound Japanese. Are you sure you're really ninjas?
Yeah, I ninja. Look at my fucking eyes. Come on, give me a check made out to a shitty ninja service.
Just get it over with.
Okay, hello, we're from Shitty Ninja. I'm afraid we got paid to assassinate you today, so we have to do that, of course, on Russ. You want to pay us not to? $5,000.
Oh, nice try. You tricky in business. But you don't have enough money for bribes, so we still have to murder you. Sorry.
Great.
Clocking in. Chaos's money goes only to his minions' competitive healthcare plans.
Okay, Ninja, you watching?
호랑이관. 준비하라.
Should've worn safety glasses, huh?
Time to DIY some justice. Laser drills! We got fucking drill!
Let me show you some real shadow arts.
That's no fair.
Bad news, villains. I'm a good guy now. Well, I don't think nothing can fix a cut like that. Oh, come on, it didn't smell that bad.
The predator finds its prey.
The final girl's nice and all, but all this blood is kind of gross.
You're up to bat, new kid.
Ow! Fuck you, stupid kid.
Time to work. Draw!
Oh, you disrespectful.
Let's go, posers.
Ow! Oh, that hurt very much.
Prepare to suffer, fools.
You lucky. It's very hard to hit authentic ninja. Okay, Ninja, you want out? Okay, I need a Ninja Star back. It was very expensive item.
Got him!
닌자 인스팅트 어웨이켄. 닌자스타, 매우 날카롭지. 너의 운명은 정해졌어.
We advance a little further with each turn. That's how a drill works. Up you go.
You stay down.
Get in there, new kid.
방어력 업.
Get ready for this, dorks. Praise Satan. Here's a gift. Some strings attached.
Thor, hey! Yeah, let's fuck these guys up.
너의 끝이 온다. 닌자 쓰다미.
I'm ready to break out the heavy equipment, guys. Screwdrivers of death!
My body is strong. Beware the tiger in the grass. Ooh, your attack very deadly.
Go, butthole!
너의 쿵푸는 약하구나. 슈퍼 닌자 공법 준비.
What you doing there, butthole?
It's my turn to express myself. You want to know real pain? Now everyone feels dead inside. Because they are.
Oh, here I go, guys. Make some room.
내 머리가 둔해졌다. Lightning flows within me.
Come on, let's do this! Gunslinger!
You take my result. 닌자의 운이 좋다. 슈퍼 닌자 속도와 힘. Enjoy 닌자 스카.
Got this, butthole!
아, 진짜로 때리네. 닌자들 빨라. 아, 노블 데스.
I'm pretty sure I'm up, fellas.
끝이 아니야. I bring that.
Time to show off my tool set! The only problem with laser drills is you have to recharge them every 20 minutes.
죽음이 보인다. 심장치기. 워리어 스피릿 레디. 닌자 어택 파워 스프림. 괜찮은 공격이었다. 닌자 공격 자세 준비 완료. 닌자 액션 준비. 파이어 울티메트 킬 파워.
Chaos is on the rise. Chaos! You can stop playing dead, new kid. We beat him. Hey, fellas, that was super neat.
So hard to find a good ninja these days.
Ready?
area. I am the rightful suitor of the Princess of Nepopolis, the greatest warrior to ever grace the bestiary. Another came to challenge me. I came out victorious, but weakened. I must ingest a potion of healing so I can return to Nepopolis and caress my beloved. Can you help a guy out? Of course, this will work nicely. If you ever need help, call me and I shall fight by your side.
Yep, that's my dad. Clear for takeoff. Ah!
We have to surround it, Crime Fighter. Stop or we'll call the police.
Here comes the new kid.
Over here! All right, kid. This is a very important mission. Are you sure you're up to it?
Well, come on.
Let's go, Freedom Pals!
We're here for the community service.
Oh, wonderful, everyone! Some of the local children are here to sing for us.
Oh.
Eh?
Ah.
I love to play my triangle goes. When I am sad, I love to hear my triangle go. It cheers me up and makes me smile.
You suck!
We're sorry, folks. This kid's new. I love to play my triangle goes.
Ooh.
I love to play my mandolin goes. When I am sad, I love to hear my mandolin go. It cheers me up and makes me smile.
Get off the stage! Huh?
I love to play my mandolin goes. I love to play my flugelhorn goes. I love to play my flugelhorn goes. When I am sad, I love to hear my flugelhorn go. It cheers me up.
Ah, it's disgusting!
And makes me smile.
Wait! That's the kid!
Ah, so many pissed off old people. Oh boy, we gotta get to the exit, fellow Freedom Pals. I'm big.
Ah, fuck. What's he doing now?
Yeah.
Good news, everybody. I'm shielded. Okay, bye.
You're all welcome. Ah, a storm front is brewing. Bring down the lightning.
Nurse, get ready to call a code blue.
Yeah, we got this, you guys.
Ah! Oh! Hey, you leave him alone! Prepare to suffer, fools!
I'm going to write such an angry letter to the paper about you kids.
I'm about to bring it. Upper tornado, warning.
Ow! Hey, how about some respect for your elders? I used to be
us, bitches. I'll put you on ice. Well, I'm in a bad way.
A logical, if unfortunate, outcome for those who oppose freedom, pals.
Oh, hamburgers! More grandparents! My hammer is ready to bring chaos to all who defy me! The Mortis is setting in early. Nurse!
Targeting systems online. Upper tornado!
Well, that was some state-of-the-art butt whipping.
Blech.
I'm up! I'm up!
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Super Best Friends.
Let all debts be forgiven and all slaves free. Mwah!
I knew I should have gone to the little boy's room before we got started.
Those time cords are potent! Hey! Another one down!
Oh yeah, seniors rule. He's out.
Bad news, villains. I'm a good guy now. More chaos!
Now, it's not nice to hit Gram, Polly.
Ah! Here comes more of them!
Engage, Tupper tornado.
You better not mess up my bingo hand.
Ah! Here comes more of them! Wonder Tweak! Much better!
Tupperware operating full efficiency again. Ready to initiate Tuppermech upgrade.
to go home now?
And stay down, you little shit!
Chaos is coming for you! Eat this burrito and rise, my minion! Whew, I feel like myself again. You've made the world a better place for chaos.
Here comes Tupperware. Take this! Tupper Tornado complete.
Remember this day, for it is the day you die. Chaos!
I calculate our odds of survival at 90.6%. We've got more old bogeys. Enemy down! I think these villains are about ready for a taste of Tuppermech Mark III. We've got more old bogeys.
Chaos is on the rise.
That's not good for the old chicken.
We made it, pals.
Doc, this is Mysterion. We had some trouble, but the mission is complete.
Nice work, everyone. New kid, congratulations. You're officially a member of Freedom Pals. You can join us tonight on our mission to the police station.
We've ascertained that the police are being paid off by whoever's running crime in the city.
That's right. We believe we'll find the answers to what's going on there. Welcome to the team, friend.
We'll see you tonight.
Don't tell anyone we're going to the police station.
Ha! Dude, that was awesome, new kid. Attention all Coon friends. Report to the Coon Lair. We know now what the Freedom Pals know. All Coon friends to the Coon Lair. Great work, Buttlord.